Hey, good morning. It's Sunday again, heading back to the US. Just left home. Was just over 10 days back home. Was working from home and did a lot of stuff around the house, especially regards to our outdoor furnace. Had to clean it up. Was lots in the woods, cutting firewood. And yesterday we had an amazing sunset behind the house. Will be at the end of the video. So you guys stay safe, take care, and have a good week. Hey, good morning. I'm back in Canada. Was the last 10 days in the US for work. My wife ran out of firewood in this 10 days. So the furnace went out. I was able now to take the old ash out. We are basically heating the house with the outdoor furnace. Get also water out of it. If it runs out of wood and if it goes down, we have to switch to oil. So I be today in the woods making firewood and also over the last couple of days. So hope to get enough together that before I leave, that at least we can use the outdoor furnace for another 10-15 days when I stay in the US. Saves us a ton of money on oil. Having a little bit of challenge now. The firewood is really wet. There's no dry wood left, so my wife basically used all the dry wood. And I have some small stuff, but I'm not really convinced that I can do it. So I use a little bit of petroleum to speed it up. So let's see how it goes. It's really wet. Okay, I found a little bit of dry wood. Hope that helps. Okay, it's a pole, but it doesn't matter. So I'm here in my favorite place. We have always a couple of cookouts here, and I'm cut here the firewood. It's some of these trees are already dead, so they are dry. So I have to cut them out. There was the bugs in. It's anyway better to get them into the fire and gone. So I will stay all day in this area. Hope I get a campfire a little bit together for the afternoon, having a little bit of cookout or a drink. If not here, then up at the house. The fire is now going well. I made it also with wet wood. This will last now until tomorrow afternoon. As soon we reach here 185, it's now at 134, it will shut down. There's a valve in the door, and when it goes down to 150, the water temperature, the valve will open and allow the air going in. So I'll be really proud. I heat the house now the next 24 hours just with renewable energy, and I don't have to use fossil fuel. Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday here in Canada. Bloody cold, but wonderful. The sun is shining. I'll be back in the woods. We'll have in the afternoon a little bit of fire down there and a little bit of cookout. And tomorrow I'm heading back to the US. So happy weekend. So I was all the way down here. I'll be quite done now. I'm not going up now and pick up some sausage and have a barbecue out here. I let the fire go down, then I go back, have a drink, have a hot tub, and relax for the rest of the evening. It's a beautiful and really easy drive today. I'm already back in the US and just enjoy the weather.